Hey YouTube and hey future traders. If you're thinking about becoming a trader and you want to learn how to trade, I definitely encourage you to become a student of Akashx Academy. This is my particular website where you'll go to get access to becoming a student. Now, this particular site will be in the description area below, so you can click on there and go directly to the site and take a tour. Right on the site, you'll notice a lot of great things with regards to the different services that they do offer within the back office. So once you become a student, you'll have access to everything that you see here, and you can definitely dive into the content. There'll be videos to watch, there'll be live sessions to attend, there'll be stock screeners that you can actually review, there'll be trade alerts that you'll get access to. You'll have access to a lot of important information to help you become a profitable trader, a successful trader. You get crypto training as well. If you ever wanted to, trade cryptocurrency, you'll have access to a series of videos that'll teach you how to do that. They also have an app that you can download on your smartphone where you can get alerts and things of that nature directly on your smartphone. So when you're out and about and they send out an alert, you can decide whether or not you want to take the trade. It's connected to your brokerage account, and all you got to do is pretty much click a button. So what I'm going to do is to give you guys a walkthrough when you sign inside of the back office as a student. So since I'm already a student, I'm going to go ahead and log in. When you log in, you get access to the Academy. As you can see on the top row here, there's a series of direct links you can go to get access to those portals. So the very first portals I want to talk about is the Academy. So here in the Academy, as you can see, there's a total of 106 courses that you guys can watch at your leisure in the comfort of your home, on your smartphone, or if you're traveling, things of that nature. So you have access to these training courses here. Akashx, how to navigate through the back office. There's like 7 courses here. Educational series is about 15 courses here. Master trading, once you become a master trader or you want to learn how to become one, there's 66 courses there that you can review and watch, rewatch. That's what I recommend. Once you watch a course, you can rewatch it again and again and again. And total cryptocurrency courses is about 18 right here. And here you'll see beginners courses, advanced courses, and expert courses. So no matter what level you're at, you can go ahead and sharpen your skills. If you're new, it'll teach you exactly how to get started and all this good stuff. So you come in here and pick a course, start your training, and take notes. And then you have access to specific instructors. You can learn their trading styles, how they trade and things of that nature, and you can follow them as well. So these are some of the trainers. These are some of the people that send out alerts. They also give you a breakdown how to use the scanners and so on and so forth within the back office. So there's like many different pages you can scroll through. Even different languages are here for you. So if you speak another language, you can come here, find your language, and dive into the content. So this is a great tool. So this is a global platform. So you have friends in other countries and they speak another language. You can go ahead and invite them to become a student of the Academy as well. So this is why this company has added over 20,000 new students monthly. I think the number is even higher as I speak, but this is really, really impressive because all the information is here for anyone that wants to become a Forex trader. Okay, so you get all your educational series there, and let's dive into the trading. You have your tap to trade here. You would connect your brokerage account, and when you get an alert, whether it's on your smartphone and in the back office here, you can click approve the trade based on the analysis that the traders put together. They'll send an alert and say, hey, buy now, and this is a timer, and then you have 2 minutes to click approve. If you click approve, it'll take the trade right into your brokerage account. Okay, keep in mind, they do not manage your money. You manage your own money. But once you click approve, the same exact trade you see here with the stop loss and the take profit, it'll be executed on your trading platform with your broker. Okay, so that's one of the tools you have access to. And then you have access to pulse signals. This will be sent directly to your smartphone as well. It'll tell you, the different traders. They'll send out a trade alert, and you get to decide whether you want to take that trade. But you have to input all the data inside of your brokerage account. You got to enter the entry where you want to enter the trade, take profit number 1, take profit number 2, take profit number 3, take profit number 4, take profit number 5, and then they also give you the stop loss. That way you can protect your principal. And all of this is here for you. Give you the day and the time that the alert is sent out. And typically you do your own due diligence and analysis, and you decide whether or not you want to take the trade. You also have access to live trading sessions. Okay, these are sessions based on time, days. This is a calendar of events. If you want to learn how such and such trades, go to their live trading event. If you want to learn technical analysis, fundamental analysis, these different trainers will be on here educating the platform how to become successful. Okay, so they'll be training in English, they'll be training in different languages like Spanish here. So you have different trainers who speak different languages, and you'll have access to all this information here. Okay, and then we went over, these are live sessions. There's Forex live sessions, crypto live sessions, futures. If you trade futures or you were thinking about trading futures, you'll have access to live sessions for futures, indices, and gold. Okay, I'm a gold trader, so I definitely tend to gold trading. And I can always learn something new. You can always learn something new to add to your trading plan, to add to your strategy. And I just come here and watch these videos to learn something new every time the sessions are available to me. And they also give you the time slots as well, so you have access to that. We talked about the academy, a lot of training there. Crypto trading, you can connect. Here's the academy for crypto. You can connect your Zeus account, which is an automatic trading bot for you. They'll do the trades for you, and it teaches you how to connect all that stuff there. Then you have your scanners, all your scanners with regards to, charts and things of that nature. They, scan the market to find you opportunities to either take a sell trade or a buy trade, depending on the currency pair you trade. So there's different bots here, different scanners here that'll scan the market to let you know, okay, buy here, sell here. So you have access to that. So typically you just find your favorite, and then you just keep it on your screen, and you've watched this while you're placing your trades, analyzing the charts and so on and so forth. And you can also type in the actual pair you want to watch as well. So you have pivot, you have volt, you have velocity. You have all these different scanners here, which is really, really nice. Let me see something. This one's a really good one. You can also add your own indicators to the chart if you wish. By clicking on indicators, you can add your moving average. You can add it onto the chart. This particular scanner is a really good scanner. As you can see, the blue spots tells you when to place a buy, and then you have your slopes, and then you have your red arrows pointing down on when to take a sell. So all these scanners that'll tell you when to execute a trade. But definitely, as I teach you how to read the charts, you could use this as your confluences as well. Okay, so like I said, when you become a member of the academy, you'll get me as your mentor, and I'll navigate everything with you. That way you truly understand what you got your hands on. And then you got your smart tools here. It'll give you some analytics, your trading log, journal, and Sage AI. Now Sage AI is a tool that you could use where you can go in here and ask this AI tool, this bot, so to speak, you can ask questions like, what's the best trading plan? What should I include in my trading plan? And then it would spit out answers for you, just like, the known ChatGPT, but this is a lot better. This is specifically for trading, to give you ideas. It'll, show charts. You could upload, a picture of your chart. You can ask it, okay, is this an uptrend or a downtrend? And then it'll analyze that for you automatically with the bot, which is really, really nice. And yeah, this is just a brief walkthrough of the back office of what you'll get access to when you become a student. So basically, how to become a student, let me show you how to do that real quick. Okay, so you're on the main website. You at www.akashx.com/MetroFX. That is my username. Make sure that username is there. That way you are part of my community. So that's important. If you don't see me there, do not sign up. Okay, so you're going to go ahead, click on Get Started. Okay, then you're going to pick your membership package. Keep in mind, they have a promotion that if you sign 3 people up, because you're going to get a referral link yourself to refer other students to the platform. You find 3 of your friends, you invite 3 of your friends to join the platform to become a student, and then they waive your membership fee for the next following month. So definitely work on getting that done. There's 2 membership fees. You can do a monthly membership fee, a quarterly membership fee, every 6 months, and once a year. You can also add a travel package to it. That way you can get deep discounts on travel, because as you start accumulating profits, you might want to take a trip. So why not use this travel portal to, get access to some deep discounts to some exotic travel areas. You got cruises, things of that nature. You can actually, take a trip. So you get to choose which membership you want. And then, all this you get access to. You get access to the Akashx Academy. You get access to Tap to Trade. You get access to Oracle Live sessions. You get access to Pulse Signals, Krypton Crypto Academy, Radex scanners, Trading Log Journal. You get access to some analytics and the AI assistant. Okay. Over here, you guys could read that. You get access to some deep discounts on rental cars, cruises, weekly resorts. You get access to deep discounts on where to eat, shop, and bonus travel. So you get to decide which membership you want. You could, like I said, you can do a 3-month membership, 6-month membership, or an annually. I would recommend, if you could do the annually, just get it out of the way, because you're going to, this is a journey. Okay. Rome wasn't built in a day. You need to take time to learn. You need to take time to take notes. You need to take time to watch the videos. You need to take time to execute. You need to take time to practice and back test. All that isn't required of you, because you want to be skilled at this. And once you're skilled at this, no one can take it away from you. You can definitely write your own paycheck, things of that nature. So you click on the membership you want, and you just follow the prompts, create your username, make sure you put all your accurate information in, sign up with a credit card, boom, you're a student. Okay. So this is an investment in yourself. Give yourself the best gift ever is education. Learn, and then implement, and then practice, and then invite others to do the same thing. Build your own little community of like-minded individuals. Tell your buddy, hey, let's stop playing video games. Let's become a Forex trader and learn how to, create wealth. Okay. Build a community of like-minded individuals. Teach them, show them, educate them, motivate them, get on the same path to abundance, to creating wealth. Because once you learn this skill set, no one can take it away from you. I actually taught myself how to pass the Series 7 exam when I became a stockbroker. No one pretty much told me how to become a stockbroker. I had a desire to become a stockbroker. I studied. I passed the Series 7 exam. I got hired as a stockbroker. I started selling stocks to the public. So this is no different. The difference here is that you're teaching yourself how to create your own income, create your own wealth, create your path to financial freedom. Okay, becoming your own bank. Because if you can trade $10 and turn it into $50, you're starting to understand how everything works. You're starting to understand how money grows. You start understanding how the charts work. You start dissecting, analyzing, charting, things of that nature. It may sound scary at first. It may look like a foreign language at first, but once you start getting your feet wet, then you get your leg wet, then you get your body wet, then you get your head immersed, then you're swimming inside of the pool. You're strengthening your muscles. You're swimming from one end to the other end. You're telling people, hey, it was difficult at first, but now I'm an expert. Now I'm a professional. Now I can write my own paycheck. Now I can live the lifestyle I've always wanted to live. And I can go to exotic trips. And I can buy, fancy, clothes and homes and cars, whatever your goal and dreams are, where there's a tangible goal where you can physically touch it, intangible where you can't physically touch it, whereby you actually, make enough money to, retire a loved one, retire your parents, having enough funds available to pay off your kids' college funds, having enough funds available for emergency funds, having enough funds available for exotic trips, having enough funds to lend to friends and families. That's up to you. But you have to set a course towards where you want to go. It starts now. It starts with you learning the skill set. It starts with you being active. It starts with you logging in and learning and taking notes. I have tons and tons of notes. Okay. Books upon books of notes of how to trade, what to look for, what to avoid. I have a trading strategy. I have a trading plan, and I'll share all that with you once you become a student. All right. So with that being said, I'll end the video there and say, hey, this is a great platform to learn from. Great platform to invite your friends to attend, and there's a private Facebook group. You'll have access to the Facebook group. You can follow them on Instagram, and you can also watch the YouTube videos. So definitely consider, take action, sign up, and once you sign up, I'll get notification that you've done so. I'll reach out to you, and then I'll hold your hand through the whole process and how to navigate through everything, so that way you start your journey towards becoming profitable. All right. With that being said, thanks for watching, and you all have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.